Hi, I'm Etty Klein, and I'm the founder and owner of Plonk Wine Club. And in case you're not familiar with us, we're a nationally recognized Wine of the Month club, and we focus on very cool, off-the-beaten-path, organic, and biodynamic wines. So we're super thrilled to be partnering with Evolve IP and techaWare for the Women Wine and Tech event. And in honor of this special partnership, we've actually created a unique promo code for all of you to use when you shop with us to get $10 off your first order. And the promo code is WomenTech, all in one word. So don't forget to use that when you shop with us. So what I want to do to begin is to give you some sort of expert tips on how to taste wine and how to go through the steps of assessing wine, which is what you all are going to do at this event. So there are basically three components of wine assessment. The first is the wine's appearance, basically what the wine looks like in the glass. And you want to pay attention to the wine's color. So whether it's a red or a white wine or even a rosé or a sparkling wine, is it light or pale? Is it translucent or opaque? And based on these qualities, you'll really be able to tell a lot about both the wine's variety and the wine's age. The next thing you want to do is look at the wine and smell it. Take a very big, intense inhale in, and then you're going to be able to assess the wine's nose. So basically its aromatic profile. And you look for things like floral notes, mineral notes, spice notes, oak notes, toast notes, things like that. And then the third piece of wine assessment is the wine's palate. So essentially what the wine tastes like, so its flavor profile. So similar to the aromatic profile you'll see in the wine's nose, you're gonna look for things like fruit, berries, cherries, strawberries, cranberries, dark fruit, red fruit, things like that. Then on the spice profile, you look for things like baking spices, or is the wine earthy? Does it have sort of mineral notes, forest floor notes, things like that. And you'll also be able to taste oak as well as smell oak. So when you look at all of these three things, the wine's appearance, its color, the aromatic profile in the nose, and then third, the palate, you'll be able to make an assessment for the wine, both on its sort of quality level. Is this a high quality wine or a low quality wine? Is it full bodied or light bodied? And then basically you can come to a conclusion based on those factors. So we have 4 wines that we're featuring tonight. 2 are reds, 2 are whites, and all of them are made by very cool female winemakers. Almost all of these wines are grown organically or biodynamically. And I'll just give you a really quick brief overview to get you started on each of these wines. So the first one is from the Susan Valley in California, very close to Napa. It is the Onward Malvasia, and it's made by a fabulous female winemaker in an organic style. The wine is actually made of a variety that you'll see in Spain and Italy primarily, but this is from California, and it's very tropical. You get melon notes, white peach. It's just a super cool, very aromatic variety. The next one comes from the island of Sardinia in Italy, and it's sort of a quintessential island wine. It's made of the grape variety Nuragus, which is actually indigenous to the capital city of Sardinia, called Cagliari. And this wine has like really cool chalky mineral notes, a lot of lime and lemongrass. It's just absolutely delicious. Now moving on to the reds, we have 2 very, very cool wines, one from Italy, one from Spain, and the Italian wine is a frizzante style, so it's slightly sparkling. It's from Emilia-Romagna, so similar to a Lambrusco. You definitely want to drink this wine with a little bit of a chill on it, and it's made of 2 grape varieties, Bonarda and Barbera, and these 2 grape varieties in combination are commonly referred to in this region as a Guturnio, so you'll see that on the label. And then the last wine we have is a wine from Navarra in Spain. It's made by 2 sister female winemakers who took over the winery from their father. It's called Maximo Abete Gerinda Garnacha, and it's made of the grape variety Grenache. And this is a very cool expression of Grenache that might surprise a lot of you guys. It's very lively, it's very bright, super fresh, and I think a really great example of a wine made by a female hand. So hopefully you guys will all enjoy these fabulous selections and have a wonderful time.